The highly rated DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro has officially dropped to its lowest ever price on Amazon, making it one of the best deals in the entire action camera market right now. And for good reason. This little powerhouse combines advanced imaging technology, rugged build quality, and smart features that push the limits of what an action camera can do, especially at its new $269 price tag, down from $339. Saving you a solid $70 on one of the most premium compact cameras available today. With a stellar 4.5-star average rating and an exceptional bundle that includes Extreme Battery Plus Pack for extended recording, several frames, mounts, and lenses for all your shooting needs, this isn't just a camera. It's a complete creative toolkit ready to capture every adventure. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro competes directly with the GoPro Hero 13 Black, which currently sells for around $359. But at this new discounted price, DJI's offering becomes a much more attractive option for those who want professional-grade quality without paying the premium GoPro tax. The camera's most impressive features start with its 1/1.3-inch image sensor, which is significantly larger than what most competitors offer, delivering brighter, sharper, and more detailed images in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're filming at golden hour, in the middle of the night, or under cloudy skies, the Osmo Action 5 Pro's sensor works wonders to retain dynamic range, producing cinematic tones with exceptional clarity and less noise. You can shoot buttery smooth 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, perfect for slow motion captures of fast-moving subjects like extreme sports, travel scenes, or cinematic B-rolls. And let's not forget the 13.5 stops of dynamic range with Super Night mode, which ensures your low-light videos look stunning without grainy textures or washed-out highlights. One of the standout features is its dual OLED touchscreen system, a front-facing screen designed specifically for vloggers and content creators who want to frame themselves easily, and a bright rear screen with responsive touch controls, allowing you to switch settings quickly even under bright sunlight. This makes it an absolute joy for creators who are constantly moving and need flexibility on the go. Speaking of flexibility, this camera is built to endure almost anything you throw at it. With a 20-meter waterproof rating without the need for an external case, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro can dive deeper than most competitors, handle splashes, dust, and even freezing temperatures without breaking a sweat, making it the perfect companion for divers, hikers, snowboarders, and anyone who loves documenting their adventures in extreme environments. DJI also paid special attention to its build quality. The body feels robust and solid, yet compact enough to fit easily into your pocket or mount on your helmet, chest rig, or drone. And for those who need crisp, stable footage, DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady stabilization systems work flawlessly to keep your shots perfectly smooth even when you're running, biking, or filming on rough terrain. You'll notice the difference immediately. No jitter, no wobble, just fluid, cinematic motion that looks like it was captured with a professional gimbal. But what truly sets the Osmo Action 5 Pro apart is how intelligently it adapts to your environment. The color accuracy and exposure adjustments are automatic yet precise. The voice control and gesture commands are incredibly responsive, and the audio quality from the built-in microphones is surprisingly clear, especially when paired with DJI's own Mic 2 system, which connects seamlessly for professional-grade audio capture. Although the Mic 2 isn't included in the bundle, it's definitely worth considering for creators who prioritize high-quality sound. Another major advantage is the Extreme Battery Plus Pack, included in the combo deal. This upgraded battery can handle longer sessions, up to a full day of intermittent shooting, even in sub-zero temperatures, outperforming many competitors that drain out quickly during cold weather shoots. You also get a variety of mounts and accessories in the box, meaning you're ready to shoot right out of the package, whether you're filming POV mountain rides, time-lapse, or underwater dives. Storage is handled via microSD, which gives flexibility in choosing capacity, though you'll want a high-speed card for the best performance. And if you're concerned about editing and syncing, DJI's companion app offers smooth connectivity with mobile devices for easy transfer and quick edits, ensuring your footage is ready for social media or YouTube within minutes. Comparing it to its closest rivals, the GoPro Hero 13 Black and Insta360 Ace Pro, it's clear that the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro punches above its weight. The Hero 13 Black, priced around $399, has a slightly better software ecosystem and cloud storage integration, But the Osmo Action 5 Pro wins in low-light performance, battery life, and durability. The Insta360 Ace Pro, at $379, brings a flip screen but falls behind when the sun goes down, producing noisy results compared to DJI's cleaner, more balanced footage. So, when you factor in the $269 sale price, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro becomes the smartest purchase for anyone who wants professional results without breaking the bank. It's also an incredible option for travelers, vloggers, and sports enthusiasts who want to capture adventures without constantly worrying about battery life or ruggedness. Let's not overlook the small but impactful details. Fast boot up time, quick menu navigation, USB-C fast charging, and advanced AI-based subject tracking that locks onto moving subjects with impressive precision, ensuring you stay in focus even when moving rapidly. The camera's subject tracking is one of the best in its class, intelligently keeping athletes, pets, or vehicles centered in the frame no matter how chaotic the scene gets. DJI also added several new creative shooting modes like hyperlapse, slow motion, and customizable pro mode for manual control over ISO, shutter speed, and white balance, giving creators complete freedom to fine-tune every shot. Combine that with 10-bit D-Log-M color profile support, and you're ready to color grade like a pro during post-production for that cinematic look that pops on screens of any size. Whether you're shooting a travel vlog in the mountains, surfing in Bali, or creating a cinematic short film, this camera delivered performance that rivals much more expensive gear. Its ergonomic design ensures easy operation, even with gloves on, and its intuitive interface is ideal for beginners and professionals alike. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro doesn't just excel in performance, it's also built for reliability. DJI's long-standing reputation for high-quality drones and imaging systems shines through here, with consistent firmware updates, excellent customer support, and community-driven improvements. The company continues to refine its software ecosystem, ensuring users get the best possible experience with each update. For $269, it's an absolute steal, especially considering the package includes high-value extras that most competitors sell separately. And when you think about its long-term usability, it's not just a camera, it's an investment in content creation freedom. So, if you've been on the fence about upgrading your action camera setup or looking for the perfect tool for travel vlogs, cinematic shots, or daily adventures, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a must-buy. With this record low price, now is the perfect time to grab it before the deal disappears from Amazon. Whether you're filming your next mountain hike, underwater dive, or fast-paced sports montage, this camera ensures every moment looks stunning, sharp, and perfectly stabilized. And if you want to take your creativity even further, pairing it with accessories like the DJI Mic 2 or the magnetic lens might expand its potential even more. The Osmo Action 5 Pro isn't just another gadget. It's the ultimate companion for creators who demand performance, durability, and visual excellence all in one. With GoPro and Insta360 constantly raising their prices, DJI's latest offer feels like a breath of fresh air in the competitive action cam market. So, if you're ready to upgrade your filming game, act fast before this deal is gone, because opportunities like this don't last long. In the end, our recommendation is clear. For under $270, no other action camera offers this balance of performance, build quality, and value. Grab the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro now. Start creating and see the world through a whole new lens. Thanks for watching, and if you love staying updated on the latest tech deals, gadget news, and camera reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more amazing updates right here on TechVerse, your universe of technology.